This solar light was gifted to me, so let me share the things that I absolutely love about it. What makes this solar light unique is we have a clip on it, and it is super convenient because you don't have to install it anywhere. You can literally hang it wherever you need. You need it on a gazebo, less than a second, and it's up. You need it on the fence? No problem at all. 1 second and it's up. I took it with me to the camp and we used it in our tent as a light. It is super portable. It is pretty small and it also has a sensor, so whenever there's movement, it turns on. Has 3 different modes. One is constant on. Second one is it's on and off when there's no movement, and the last one, it is dim, and as soon as there's movement it goes bright. So I think the clip alone makes it a total game changer. This is one of my favorite solar lights because I can put it anywhere I need. The only thing you want to make sure that it gets at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight to fully charge up. Overall, I am super happy with this. Totally recommend it.